make some chicken wings.
Hey, it looks like you had a car accident back there.
I'm gonna go with one of these Bentley fire starters. Never used one before, but just a little dime bag about that size. Stuff her in. Yeah. This is a Roto Q360. I've never played with this toy before, but we're about to figure it out. This on middle row. She's rolling. Go at 375 for about an hour. That's what they tell me. So. I'm gonna grab a real quick temperature with my ThermoPro Lightning and see where we're at. Oh yeah. I usually like to come about 200. That's when you get the perfect, tender, crispy wings. Look pretty good, don't they? Throw these back on for a couple more minutes to let the sauce tack up. I'm gonna call it. Those look good. Good amount of crisp, good amount of char. 10 at 200. I'm gonna give them some more sauce. I've never made good looking chicken wings until this one. Just maybe it was just luck. Juicy, smoky, barbecue. Yeah, definitely ought to try smoked wings if you get the opportunity. They're pretty good. Till then, follow me for more food stuff, I guess. You already watched the whole video, why wouldn't you?